if you're a developer and you've been hearing about all these new apps that are coming out for the Kin ecosystem, you must be wondering how you would like to be part of it. I'm sure you have. So we've got approximately between 30 to 50 functional apps that are either released or being released slowly into the iOS App Store and or the Play Store for Android. And these are all community apps. So there's this developer program that Kin has instantiated, and it invites participants based on their proposal. So it advertises that they have that Kin has a developer program, and people all over the world apply. They say, I want to build this type of app because it will benefit Kin such and such in this way. Or they get approached by applications who already have a user base, who already have a working product. You know, they say, oh, I have an application, it is already working. I have 10,000 customers, 500 daily active users. This is my model, and this is how we can integrate Kin. So, you know, it was a great opportunity to kickstart the Kin ecosystem growth in such a way that the developers will be earning money and they'll be reintroducing this currency back into the hands of the users. And this is just the first round. So if you feel like you missed out and are sad about it, or are actually excited and want to join, you know, don't worry, because Kin will be introducing a new one, a new Kin developer program and a Unity developer program next month. So when I say next month, I will give you a safe answer. I'll just say between December and January. And it goes like this. The Kin developer program will be an application that will have to be submitted on the Play Store or the iOS Store. You will build the app, or if you have an existing app, you will introduce that. And there'll be a panel of judges that will decide which app they would like to invite for a demo. And then you get a few weeks to prepare the demo and show how the integration will work, and the judges will say whether the Kin ecosystem will benefit from this or not. Cool, right? It's a similar process to what we currently have, the developer program. Now, the Unity developer program is based specifically on games and how existing or new games will introduce economical features, point systems, everything that includes in the game economy. So every game has some sort of economy. You know, there's levels, there's points, there's costumes, armor, new cars. If it's a racing game, a new hand, I mean, anything customizable is an economy in the game. So this is also really interesting. This is very interesting because now you can really create your own world and introduce economical incentive in this new world. So imagine you build, I mean, this might be over the top, but maybe if you're a team, you can build an RPG, right? And there will be an MMORPG. And there's so many economical incentives that you can introduce for players in such games that they can, you know, okay. First, you create a playable incentive, an incentive that attracts the user to join the game and play it. And then you create an incentive for the player to improve upon when they have got the game. And then trade with each other to create incentive and earn sort of a profit. You know, it's like making money online in a game. It's very fascinating, in my opinion. I think gaming is... everyone has, one way or the other, touched a game, played a certain game, and when you introduce economical incentives into this, specifically with blockchain, crypto assets, it's just a different ballgame. So if you're excited about this, there will be a Kin and Unity developer program coming out in the next 1 or 2 months. That's the safe answer I'm going to give you. And as soon as any more information is released on that, I'll make another video and I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how you should apply and for whom the targeted applications is for. I hope that you're excited about it and are thinking about joining in and applying. If you have any more questions, always feel free to ask a question on Reddit or Telegram. We're always around and ready to answer. So, see you soon.